Now find the virgins one. Keeping the virgins alive. Go ahead.
So in Numbers 31:17, now therefore kill every male among the little ones and kill every woman who has known a man intimately, but keep alive for yourselves all the young girls who have not known a man intimately.
Numbers chapter 31 verse
17.
So those virgins that were kept for the army of God according to your Bible, why were they kept?
What did it say?
It said, go attack them, kill their men, the women that have already had children, kill them, but keep the virgins for yourself to have sex. In your Bible.
Did it say to have sex?
Yes, go read it. Go read any commentary you like. Go get MacArthur, go get Moody's, go get Rashi. If you really want to read a good commentary about that talks about how they were kept for having babies and forced to have sex with the armies of God in the Bible, go read it. Right? And then tell me whether you believe in that. Nice talking to you. All right.